Okay, this is Preston with Spare Time, showing you the restrooms at Grand Ecore RV Park in Natchitoches, Louisiana. Very interesting design. I've never actually seen a campground with this type of design, so I am excited to show you this design. Hopefully you'll see what I'm talking about. It's been very nice while staying here to have this option. I know that each space has the water, sewer, and electric at each spot, of course, so you don't have to use the restrooms here or the showers here, but it is nice to get out and stretch a little bit. These showers are a lot bigger than the shower in my camper, which I believe they're bigger than the shower in most campers that I've seen anyway. So it is a nice change. So we will show you this and then we'll keep going. You look up to the right here, that is the bathhouse. We're gonna take a tour of it. See this bathhouse that's extremely nice. I've never seen anything like this at a campground, so I will enjoy showing this to you. They have steps at this entrance and of course a handicap ramp at the other entrance. It is very secure with a keypad to get in, and as you can see, extra wide doors. Okay, this is the hallway. The lights have a auto on, but what I'm really excited to show you is the restrooms. You can turn in each restroom. When you come in, immediately in front of you is the restroom, toilet and sink. Then if you keep coming to the right, you have a nice shower that's very high up. I'm 6 foot, you're at the top of my head, and that's looking up at the shower head, so plenty of room. You turn around, they have a little bench that you can put your stuff on or sit on, getting ready. They have the towel rack. Of course, you turn and you have your restroom. You have the whole thing to yourself. It's very nice. Again, you have the whole thing to yourself. Plenty of light, ventilation. And they do keep very good care of it. They clean them daily. It appears to be cleaned multiple times a day, as they're always clean. Now as we leave out of the restroom, you can see there's 6 restrooms on this side. Just to show you that it is AC and heat. They keep it at 72. At this time, I don't know what they keep it year round, but it's been at 72. Come through. And if you look down this hallway and this hallway, you'll see 6 more restrooms and a laundry room with washers and dryers that is free. Again, the washer and dryers are free for use for campers. All you have to do is bring your own soap. And you can go out either door, of course.
And that's it. That was the tour of the bathhouses at Grand Ecore RV Park. We enjoyed staying there. We stayed there for a whole week. It is lovely. It's wonderful. The bathhouses are amazing. So if you like this video, please check out our other ones. We have a full tour of the whole campsite and all the amenities there. Other than that, like and subscribe.